Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free $50,000 Profem account. This is not a competition account. It's not a challenge account. It is a Profem account that you can claim immediately and start trading. I'm going to be showing you how you can claim it, where to claim it, and the terms and conditions you have to withdraw in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. All you have to do is to bring your 2 years and listen carefully. Alright, so now the first thing you have to do in order for you to get this free $50,000 Profem account is for you to use the link in the description of this video. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Now in my Telegram channel, I usually drop money making updates. I usually drop free Profem accounts there first before coming to this place. So if you are looking for a fast access, just use the link in the description of this video. Use it to join my Telegram channel. And also, once you've gotten to my Telegram channel, you are going to find where you are going to get this free $50,000 Profem account. That's where the website link is, right? Yes. So once you click on the link, this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen, something like this. Make sure it is something like this. All right, if you go to my Telegram channel, it is definitely sure that this is where you'll be taken to once you've accessed the link. So once you've gotten to an interface like this is where the works start. But before I proceed, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel and you know that you are interested in getting funded every day without you using your own money, we have a lot of proof here. We have a lot of proof. One of our guys have made $40, 523, as you can see right here on the screen. These are the proofs that we have, and this is no bluff at all. You can also try it for yourself. If you know that you are interested in getting funded for free, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because if you don't do that now, you might never see us again. So now that you've subscribed and you've gotten to an interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down. Now this is my first time of making a video on this, about this particular broker, because I just don't know. I've been testing them and I just want to see whether they are legit or not, because I don't want to drop what's not legit for you guys. And later I found out that one of my closest guy was able to withdraw from it. That is why I chose to make a video about it, so that you guys can make profit about it. And if you check their review, they have a very good review out there, and they also allow MT5, as you can see right here on the screen. This is MT5 available. All right, and most of us are familiar with MT5, right? Now let me tell you this: do not fast forward this video, because any part you fast forward, you've missed a lot from it. Most especially, do not miss out of the middle of this video, because in there I'll be talking about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. So now once you've got into an interface like this, the next thing you do is for you to scroll down. Now even if you've created an account with them, there is a way you get to get your free $50,000 Profem account. Yes, there is a way that you can get it, and there is a way that you can still withdraw. Follow me as I show you the step-by-step processes. It is different from the other videos you've been watching. You can actually withdraw from it too. Yeah, I'm sure about it, because one of my guys already withdrew and I asked him about how he did his own. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this two line up here. Click on this two line up here. So immediately you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to right here. Now, being my first time on this particular broker, I'm going to be clicking on get funded so that I can sign up before I sign in. So let's hold on a bit. Since it's not clicking, just click on login. All right, just click on login, because we click on get funded but it seems not to be clicking. So immediately you've gotten to an interface like this. Now the next thing for you to do, it is either you install the app on your phone for better usage, for better use, or you click on not now. So as for me, I don't want to install a particular app on my phone right now, so I click on not now. So as you can see, once you've got to an interface like this, being your first time of coming here, you can just create new account. Since you don't have one yet, you can just create new account, enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email and your password. So immediately I enter my password, my name, and all of that. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on verify that I am a human, and after that I'm going to sign up today. So you to do that on your side, and once you're done, just click on sign up today. Once you're done, you'll be taken to another interface. But let me pause here so that I can proceed to the next one. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So what happened at first that my password was somehow close with my email, so they rejected it. So make sure that your password is not somehow close with your email, of or else it will be rejected. So once you're done, just click on sign up today. Now another thing about this particular broker is that they are very fast. They are very fast when it comes to maybe verification, but you don't have to verify it though before getting this account. But I'm just saying, when it comes to verification or transaction, they are very fast. They are very fast and reliable. As you can see, this email has been taken. I don't know how, but let's proceed anyway. So once you're done, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on the save up there. So come back to this place and click on your password. Click on remember me for faster login next time. And after that, just click on login, okay? So click on login. Now you have to verify that you are not a robot also. So come down and verify that you are a human. And after that, click on login. Now immediately you click on login. This is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. And as you can see, there is a welcome gift for you. There is a welcome gift for you, and it is available for the next 4 days. All right, a 50 off offer. It starts today. All right, so you can make use of it if you know that you want to purchase a Profim account from them. Now, I told you these people has a very good review. Even if you go online right now, you'll see a very good review about them. So now, to get this free $50,000 Profim account, once you've got to an interface like this, they also have a competition account, they also have a reward system and all of that. Once you've gotten to a competition account like this, click on this three line up here. And immediately you click on this, what you'll be clicking on is a gold point. You'll be clicking on gold point, all right? Gold point. Now, before you run away, I made a video like this and a lot of people were unable to claim the point. I really show my gratitude. I'm really sorry for the video I made that you guys were not able to claim the point. A lot of people were about to claim the point, but they don't have what it takes to claim it. But right here, you can actually claim it with ease, and I will be showing you how, because without watching this video, you can't know how. It is not possible. So I'll be showing you how you can actually claim it easily, so that you can be able to use it to purchase your free $50,000 Profim account. Now, apart from that free 50,000 Profim account, there are other accounts right here that you can actually get for free. So click on Gold Point. Immediately you click on Gold Point, this is where you'll be taken to. Now, Gold Point is a point that you will get once you do some rewards. So when you do a particular reward, you will get a particular, when you do a particular tax, you'll get a particular point, and there are rewards to be claimed. So as you can see right here on the screen, the overall points to be claimed is 2060 points. 2060 points. Those are the overall points to be claimed. So now let me show you how you can actually claim your total points. But before I show you that, let me show you how many points you need in order for you to be able to get your free $50,000 Profim account. So as you can see, total rewards to be claimed. So that is where we'll be going. Click on this side. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. So as you scroll down, you click on rewards right here. You click on rewards right here. So immediately you click on rewards. This is where you'll be taken to. Now you'll be seeing a lot of instant accounts here that are for free. So for example, this is a 5k 3 steps challenge account. So this is it. This is a 10k 3 step challenge account. This is a 25k 3 step challenge account. Now, the more points you claim, the more and the large amount of accounts you'll be able to get. All right. So if you claim 1002 points, you claim 1002 points, you'll be able to purchase an account of $25,000. If you claim 1000 points, you'll be able to get free $10,000. Now, even if some of you do not have what it takes to claim a free $50,000, you can still actually afford to be able to get this free 5K step challenge account, this free 10K step challenge account, and all of that. But you can actually get this free 50K step challenge account. But let's still go down. So to get this free $50,000 challenge account, you have to have 1009 points. All right, 1009 points, and this is a 5K instant code account. This one is not a challenge account. It is an instant account, and it requires 1001. This 10K instant account requires 15. So let's go to the profile account that we are here to claim. So this one requires 26 because it is the highest among them. Yes, it is the highest among them. So for you to get this free $50,000 profile account, it requires 206 points. Now, how can you get this point? Let me show you how you can actually get this point and what to do after you've gotten this point. So to get this point, just scroll down and hold on. So once you scroll down, come back here and click on tax, because without doing this tax, you cannot earn the points to be able to purchase the free rewards that are available. So now what you want to do is that you want to complete this tax. So vote Goat Funded. The name of the broker is Goat Funded. So vote Goat Funded Futures as my favorite futures frame. So what you will now do is that you click on complete tax. You go and do it, and you click on complete tax. Immediately you perform one tax, this is the amount you will earn right here. For this particular tax, you will earn 90 points. Now once you earn 90 points, you can also come down here, show your support, go to GFT mode, update your Twitter profile, and add our logo and all of that. So you can also do that. Once you've completed it, you will earn 60 points. Now this thing is not that difficult. All you have to do is to read these things carefully, one after the other. Read it carefully. If you don't understand, copy it, paste it for ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to help you explain it and break it down for you. So once it has broken it down for you, you will be able to know what to do. So once you've completed this other task, you will earn 60 points. So if you are calculating it, if you calculate everything together, you will see that you are now able to get your free $50,000 profit account. And also in this video, I will still show you how you can actually join a competition account that is live. I will show you how to do that. And I will also show you the terms and conditions you have to pay. So now, the next one is for you to spread the word on Twitter that GFT offers instant funding on MT5. So all you have to do is to tell ChatGPT to help you carry out these tasks. Once you tell ChatGPT to help you carry out these tasks or explain these tasks to you, it will become more simple for you. So once you are done, just click on complete task, and after you are done with every single thing now, the next thing for you to do after you are done earning the points, the next thing for you to do, like I said earlier, is for you to go to your rewards. So now once you've gotten to your rewards, let's say you already have 750 points and you want to claim a free 5K step challenge account. All you have to do is to click on redeem right here. Right now you have an insufficient point because your point is not enough, and this account is available till December 31st 2026, which means you still have a lot of time. But I would advise you to go and claim it right now because a lot of people are really making money. So you will see redeem point here. All you have to do is to click on redeem point. But since this is not what we are here for, just come to this free $50,000 instant code and just click on redeem right here, redeem point. And after you've clicked on it, your login details will be sent to your email. Do not forget, you can actually trade it on your MT5. Yes, they will be sent to your email account, and you will know how you are going to log it on your MT5 and start trading, because I've made a video about it multiple of times. So you can go and watch my previous video if you don't know how. Now, thank you guys for watching. I really love you. But before I go, let me show you how you can actually join their competition account if you know that you're interested. All you have to do is to click on this three line above here. So once you've clicked on it, come down to this place and click on competition. Right, click on competition, and as you can see, this is the interface you'll be taken to. There is an ongoing competition right now. If you want to join, it's not too late for you to join. All you have to do is to hold on. So you can also view the tournament. You can view the tournament. As you can see, the entry is free. You don't need any money, and a lot of people are already participating, as you can see right here on the screen. So now let's view the tournament. So the next thing for you to do is for you to view the tournament. Now, as for this one, it ends in 20 hours. It ends in 20 hours. It is a weekly competition account. It is a weekly competition account, right? We have weekly, we have a lot of ways to get funded right here. So if you want to join or you want to view the tournament, it started 4 days ago, it is weekly. So you can just view the tournament. You can just click on view and you can join if you want to join. This is how to check the rules that you have to pay in order for you to be able to make your profit. These are the rules. So once you've clicked on the rules, you'll be taken to where you are going to see the rules. As you can see, these are the rules you have to follow. EA is not allowed, which means you can use the maximum daily loss limit is 5%, maximum overall loss, as you can see. So those are the terms and conditions you have to obey. And if you want to participate, just click on join rules and enter your competition password, and after that just click on join. So let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. These are for people who are interested. See, you can actually withdraw from it, let me tell you. And never belittle yourself. You can be the one to withdraw from it. You can be the one to withdraw from it. And also they are not only giving cash prize to the first users on alone, they are giving cash prize to a lot of people. So no matter the position you come, as far as it's not far behind, you can actually be able to collect your cash prize together with some things. So thank you guys for watching. If you know that you've gotten your free $50,000 profit account, or you've successfully joined a competition account, you can also join the one that has not yet begin. Right, you can join on the upcoming one and all of that. So if you know that you've already joined, make sure you thank me in the comment section. I love you guys. If there is anything you need help with, let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to respond to you immediately. Bye.